Project management is a lucrative career with plenty of opportunities for growth. Did you know that the average salary for a project manager is $75,474 per year? While the lowest salary for a project manager is $48,000 per year, the highest salary in PMP is $167,000 per year. So, it's safe to say that project management is a well-paying career. Project management is a diverse and flexible career. It offers opportunities in various industries, such as construction, healthcare, and technology. While project management can be stressful, it's also a rewarding career. It's all about how you manage your stress and find ways to cope with it. Project management is a secure career with excellent job prospects. As businesses continue to grow, the demand for project managers is expected to increase. Project managers are in high demand across various industries. In fact, project management is one of the fastest growing professions in the world. To become a project manager, you need to have a bachelor's degree in a related field. You can also pursue certification in project management, such as PMP or CAPM. Yes, you can become a project manager as a fresher. However, you may need to start as an assistant project manager or project coordinator and work your way up. The four main roles of a project manager are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. A project manager is responsible for ensuring that a project is completed on time, within budget, and meets the project's objectives. The skills of a project manager include leadership, communication, problem-solving, and time management. A successful project manager must be able to work well with others and manage multiple tasks simultaneously. After project management, you can pursue a career in program management, portfolio management, or business analysis. You can also specialize in a specific industry, such as construction or healthcare.